Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is July the 23rd, 2018, and I wanted to give you an update on the green beans here, how they're doing. And they've grown quite considerably since I did the last video. Now, these got fed with the Eco Scraps 555 all-purpose plant food, and they were also fed with the Sea Magic. And I'll show you here the green beans that are hanging on. And you can see some of the green beans here that are hanging on. These actually need to be picked. They're ready to be picked. So it just finished raining. I don't know if we have any more rain coming or not, but this plant here, definitely the beans are ready to be picked off of it. What happens if you let your beans stay on and they get too big, it'll actually signal to the plant that it did its job of producing seeds, and it'll actually stop giving. So we don't want that to happen, because we want to be able to put our green beans away this year so we have them to eat over the winter time. So definitely be picking our green beans here. You can see the hatch out here. They're actually about, now some of them are probably knee high. So we needed green beans this year, so we planted a bunch of green beans. And that's the same for your wax beans too. You don't want to let them get too big, because they'll signal to the plant that they're done and they'll actually stop giving. So we don't want that to happen. Have tomato plants that came up on their own. We're just letting them go and grow in here with them. There's one that has a little tomato hanging on it. So I just want to give you a quick update on the green beans here. Good news is the Japanese beetles didn't destroy them this year. Damage from the Japanese beetles was minimum. We got our traps out. When we seen the Japanese beetles, there's like, I think 2 I see, but other than that, the traps seem to really take care of them, which that's good. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell us I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!